We now are going to have a conversation with a physiotherapist who believes in medical tourism. Not only is he treating physiotherapy patients from all over the world, he actually makes trips to other countries and other cities for medical tourism and especially to propagate physiotherapy. So, knowing his take on AI involvement and software technology, where physiotherapy is concerned, is a good idea. And it will help us to take further insights into whether a software specifically created for physiotherapy is actually going to make a difference. So, please welcome Dr. Utsav Parekh. Hello, Utsav.
Hi. How's it?
I'm fine, thank you. So, Utsav, we basically wanted to understand what inspired you to become a physiotherapist.
When I'm talking about my journey, my sisters is also physiotherapist. So I see the growing with the doctors and all that stuff. So whenever I clear my schooling and all that stuff, so I will the clear with the one picture. If I become a doctor, I will become only physiotherapist because there is a future trend. So I have to become and the best part, in the physiotherapy there is all the treatments, which is there is no side effects. So the best part for become a physiotherapist
No side
for
effects.
my life. Yeah.
Okay. So, when did you graduate?
So I finished my bachelor in 2018. I started my practice in 2019, and from 2019 I'm working in the individually children.
Oh, so you have not worked with another practice. You've not had
No.
your own clinic as such, a base. Do you have a base clinic?
Yeah, I have a best, which is
Okay.
situated in the Gotha, and second one is Darpan 6 Cross Road.
And you have not worked for any other hospitals or.
No. We are just working with the collaborations right now to take the
Okay.
home care segments.
All right. So basically, home
Yeah,
assignments.
yeah.
All
So,
right.
when I talk about us, how we worked, so I'm a founder of Just Therapy, and we're working in Ahmedabad with the exclusively home care. So we collaboration with the centers, doctors, and hospitals to take the whole home care segments to provide every consultation, every advanced treatment at your doorstep with the convenient time. So we're working
Right.
like that.
And do you use machines?
Everything you get at your doorstep with the advanced treatments.
Even the huge AI machines, which are
Everything.
actually,
Everything.
helping completely, someone who has been traumatized in an accident. I have seen these machines at several physiotherapy centers, which are linked to a computer. They are so huge that it's not possible to take them to a house.
So I tell you one
They are
more story.
calibrated with
Yeah,
the help of AI, and the person is suspended in it, and exercise is done with the machine with precise readings which you people are feeding into it. So those kind of
I
machines
tell
also.
you, that's called the robotic.
Robotic therapy.
So right now the robots is coming in a short of ways where you can travel with the robots and you can put that at home and provide to a patient for a treatment.
So you have that kind
We
of facility
have
as well.
facilities in house over there. But right now we're working with the very minimized things in the robotics right now. So we are expanding very soon with the bigger stuff because in a center when you're working with the robotics very easy, but in a home care is very difficult to travel, managing the time of patients and all that stuff. So we are growing on that.
What
stuff.
about booking your appointments or doing
Yeah.
follow-ups? Do you have a
So,
system?
Yeah,
Are you using paper or are you
No.
using a software?
For that things we are using on a two ways. When we plan for a consultations, so first we book the appointments. So we have to totally working with the WhatsApp concept. So the patient got the appointments, our details, all the stuff they're sending before we reaching for a consultation at their place. Once they confirmation about the timing, that is a putting in our Excel sheets. That time will be fixed for the patients, and that time we have to go for a consultations. Once they are confirmed, we go for a consultations. We go for assessments. We go for a treatments and all this stuff. What we have to describe in the consultation, we see the patients, and then the call with the patient will be taken. When they finalize about that stuff, we are start for the treatment from that day, that time, and all that stuff. So again, the same things we are done in our Excel sheets, and we have to book accordingly. And then we plan for a treatment and all that stuff. So if we give for a 30 sessions of time, so it's around 30 days. If we finish within 15 days also, but depend on the condition and the recovery of the patients. So that all the data we recording in our Apple Notes, which is connected to our Teams Apple phones and other in the Excel sheets.
So you're basically using 4 or 5 different
Different
softwares
softwares.
like WhatsApp,
Yeah, WhatsApp,
Apple,
Excel,
Notes,
yeah,
Excel sheets. And
yeah.
what about payment?
So payments we are received on like online, like Google Pays and some majority.
So that's another software.
Softwares.
So you don't have one software doing all your work, but you have
That's
several
different
softwares.
And
So what is the fear which is keeping you from actually investing in a proper software?
yeah, so see, we try to do something over that, but when you're working with the home care segment, it's very difficult to tackle out in the every directions When you centralize practice, is very easy because patient is coming, you just go for taking their name, age, what the problem they have, which doctor you have to consult, and they're putting in the database. But in a home care segment, there is a 60 to 70% chances of cancellation of their appointments and all that stuff. Okay.
What if somebody were to give you a software which would be operable on your mobile and maybe with the help of a cloud was distributed to your entire team, and you were able to get it centralized on that cloud, but all your team was able to access the software,
So it's
fix
very
your
easy.
appointments? Would you not go in for a software
Yeah,
like that?
definitely. We will. That software will definitely go. But till time we didn't get any touch of like that people those are running on that software because we are using many softwares. There is a bigger problem, the data glitch.
Yes.
So where your data is going, you never know. Okay.
And that is a very
There is
serious
a
problem
very
today.
serious problem because you don't know about that where the company is going.
But there
for
are
that.
many clouds which are very safe and they give you compliances. Like even WhatsApp recently has started encrypting messages.
I recently tell you one more stuff. Before 2 days ago, someone is created my Instagram profile. My account is professional accounts, which is running and give the security from the Meta and all that stuff. Then after someone has created my other account, and they're asking about the money with my followers. Okay, so that glitch, whatever you stuff you are using on a high security level, there is a laws and there is a rules and regulations to break down by the people. So there is a bigger fear how you conduct your data safely in your security deposits because it's a fixed deposit for the
Definitely.
every owners.
But there is a large number of people practicing on safe clouds, and if a cloud has been assigned to you and paid by you, the chances of that kind of a glitch occurring are very minimal. So if you do come across it, that is something that you would definitely go in for. Now, another thing that I wanted to know was engagement. See, you are basically, like you said, you're going for home visits. Not only that, you have said that you are venturing into the field of medical tourism, where you are inviting people who are visiting India for tourist purposes to actually get your physiotherapy done. Not only that, you do it vice versa. You go to different countries and you conduct your physiotherapy workshops there as well.
Yeah.
Because recently I know you've been to South
South
Africa
Africa.
and you have done a stint over there. So, in this kind of a situation, you are getting people not just from one city, you're getting people from multiple cities, you're getting people at multiple times, and you need to do patient engagement. You need to find out if the patient has actually benefited from that treatment, whether the follow up of 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month has been carried out, and whether the results have been positive or you need to do something further. So, in this kind of a situation, wouldn't a software really help you?
It definitely helps a lot things because
Are
right
you
now,
using currently
No,
any
no,
software
no. For
which is only
this-
looking into engagement?
No, for this for engagement we are not using any software because I tell you till date we're not getting any person where we met for that stuff. Okay, so we are quite lack of about this stuffs. But right now, how we manage it stuff. So first we have to manage on Excel sheets and second the Apple notes. Okay, and 70 to 80% the referral those who are coming from the different countries. Till date, I got the many patients from the international things. Majority is coming from the South Africa, East Africa, North Africa, then Brazil, then US, UK, Canada, New Zealand, Netherlands, and Amsterdam. Okay. Till date, we have a very good connections over there. Okay. So majority 60 to 70% the clients and the referrals are coming because of the referral to referrals. Okay.
Okay.
So there is no direct leads we had. Once the patient is coming to over here, they take a treatment, they see the differentiate how we are working on different in the field of physiotherapy from the other physiotherapists. They're aware about that stuff. They recovered and they're satisfied with our treatment. So they tell to their context sphere, tell to their networks, tell to taking some relatives and all that stuff. So that chain we are working from long period of time. And for that, we have to maintaining the same thing what we are using right now over here for the local population of the India and the communities. Okay. So when the patient is entering, so we have one of the best part. We are more focusing on the follow-ups. So I have a 2 or 3 team members who taking the follow-ups for the patients. They are only assigned for that work.
But then you can save on that money if you have a software.
Yeah, but software that not create that presence of human mind where the person will create that presence in the human mind. कि भाई someone is sitting
So you
behind
feel that
me,
that personal touch is
touch
very
is
important,
important.
which a software lacks.
Because if we are doing an AI can we do that very easily.
A WhatsApp message, an email
Everything.
dropped over
See,
here.
I tell you one more stuff. If I see some message, I see notification. After 2 or 3 days, I'm seeing the message. Same things happening with everyone because everyone is busy with their works. And
But
once
if you get a call
call
with somebody who is actually worried about
worried
you,
about you.
Okay. I believe that AI is coming up with, IVRs, where the call is made for this very reason that they make a call in an artificial
But I
voice.
tell you what, most of that artificial voice and the human voice, there is a big
There
some
is a big
science
difference.
difference. Okay, so that people
So
feel
you
like that
feel that
someone is sitting over
engagement-
there which gave the cash for us, and that AI they understand by that is a recording stuff and all that stuff. They are listening and they put down. That not conversation will be happen. So personal touch is very important
For
to
you,
maintain the
engagement,
quality.
post-treatment engagement is best with the human being.
Human beings.
And you feel, but if there was a software reminding the human being to actually make the
That
call,
can be
that would really help you.
that can be helpful.
Okay,
So right now I have to take the calls for my team. You have to call them. You have to call them. You have to call them. So I have some burden on my shoulder. Which
basically,
is
I
left
think
with my
your
software.
practice is different from what other physiotherapists are doing. So you require a software which has been customized specifically for you and which is regularly upgraded as and when you encounter problems to upgrade that same software specifically for you. I believe software is doing that now, and I think Plus Physio, who has actually invited you on this panel to talk, has also found glitches that many physiotherapists don't practice in the same way. So the software needs to be modified according to them. So I think your problems, which are quite unique, they are not very similar to other physiotherapists, are definitely going to help in the long run. Advice to budding physiotherapists. So,
Yeah.
what is your advice to budding physiotherapists and the use of software not to get scared of the training, not to get scared of the expense, and whether it is okay for a small setup also, and whether it's okay for a big practice as well?
See, whenever you start the journey, decide first your field where you have to work, and then plan accordingly. Don't think on that there is a bigger investment, there is a biggest amounts what we have to spend. This is an investment which is give the result after 5 to 6 years. With your process will be easy. When you have a bigger team, when you have a bigger number of patients, you can easily manage that data and the treatments and all that stuff. Then you can make a ready the plan for that your treatment where your team member will be easily handled by the recording your treatment plans. You don't have to teach the other person and all that stuff where you save your time, and that time you can invest in your marketing and managing the team and that all the stuff where you have to grow. Even you're expanding your centers, expanding your practice in other countries, reason like we are doing the same things. So there is a very important part to putting a advanced thing whenever you start the journey. You will see when everyone start with the small and reach to the big. So whenever you start, take the good stuff in your kitty where you have to work very good. You can get the peacefulness by working with these things. So this is my advice to
You're saving more time in the longer run by using a software which makes life easy. Right. So thank you very much, Utsav, for such a valuable insight into the use of softwares in physiotherapy practice. And we hope to see you again soon and wish you best of luck for your medical tourism. May you have more and more countries in your kitty
thank
and
you.
make India go viral.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.